Okay, this is a packet tracer video, and it is packet tracer building the prototype network, packet tracer 732. It's very detailed, and so I have made a notepad with everything I need on it, so I'm not popping back and forth. Um, I do have papers on my desk that have the diagram and stuff that I printed off. So we're going to try to get this done. So the first thing that we need to do is finish setting up our network, cabling it, and we are going to do that. And that's the diagram I have sitting on my desk, is showing me how this is all supposed to be cabled. And I do actually have a deal of it. Not that one. Yeah, maybe it's this one. So there that is right there, and it's showing the cabling, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be adding these cables in here and going from there. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is do a straight through cable from switch 1 to our server 2A, and we're going to do fast Ethernet 5. Then we're going to run another to our DNS server, and this one's going to be fast Ethernet 4 to server A. And then our third one will be fast Ethernet 03 to the web 1A. Okay, then we're going to do fast Ethernet 05 from server 2 over to web 2B. And then we're going to do FA04 to DNSB. And then we're going to do FA03 to Web 1B. Okay. And then we're going to do from switch 1 FA06 over to our PC. Then we're going to use crossovers to connect our switches. So we're going to do FA01 to FA03. And then we're going to do FA02 to FA02 on here. And then we're going to do FA01 to FA03. And we're going to do FA02 to FA02. Okay, so that's got these two, those two. So now we need to come to our routers. And those are going to be FA01 to FAO. FA01 to FAO. Okay, that should have our cabling done. So now we're going to do our VLANs down here. We're going to color block them. Hopefully we can do this right. It's kind of a difficult thing to do. And I don't know that's even really part of the grade. But we're going to make it look like this diagram looks. That's my goal. So we're going to select a fill color of pink. Say, okay, we want this. So we want that one. And these. We'll change our fill color to blue. Change our fill color to yellow. Okay. All right. So these are VLAN 23. I do not want that there. Seriously. Okay, VLAN 22. And this one is VLAN 21. Okay, so then our next, we did that so it looks like the diagram. There's the diagram. There's our picture. So we're pretty darn close. Oops. Nice. Okay. So next we want to put our IP addresses in for our switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4, and the PC 1. So that means putting our IP addresses in for each one of these servers and your PC. So I have those up here so I wouldn't have to keep looking back and forth. And if we put them in right, we'll get this done the first shot. 10. This is a /24, so it's 255.255.0. And our gateway is 172.18.23.1. Excuse me. That was our PC1. Okay, our Web 2A is going to be 172.18.23.3. We're going to change this to 55. 172.18.23.1. I suppose I could copy that instead of type it in. Okay, web server VB. Shh. Not happening. Web server B. This would be easy just to change. And then our gateway, or our gateway, yeah. All right. DNSA. And DNSA gateway. Paste. Invalid gateway. Nice. 172.18.22.1. Tell me it's an invalid gateway. Seriously. Oh. Oh. That has to be it. Whatever. It didn't like me copying and pasting it. Whatever, I don't care. B. Paste. .22.18.22.2. Okay, web A. One 172.18.21.3. One 172. Okay. And last, web B is 172.18.21.4. Okay. So next, so we're at 42%. That is hip hip hooray, woo-ha. So we're going to configure each one of the switches. We're going to do privilege mode, secret password, and require login on the VTY ports. And we're going to create VLANs 21, VLAN 22, and VLAN 23 on the switches, all four of them. Assign proper switch port roles to all connected interfaces. Assign the proper VLAN numbers to the port and connect to the end user devices. Plus, we're going to do step 6 with this. We're going to set the STP priority, which is a spanning tree, on switch 3 to 4096 to all the VLANs and make it the primary root bridge. And then we're going to set it STP priority on switch 4 to 8192 for all VLANs and make it the secondary root bridge. So I have these. I have my host name, my passwords, login, my VLAN set, my gateway, my VLAN names. I'm naming them, and I'm setting them up on their interfaces and their switch port trunks. Because that would be these going from here to here and here to here, makes them the trunks, and these ones access the VLANs. And I have the same thing for switch 2. Switch 3 is the same thing, but we've done the spanning tree VLAN with the priority, making it the primary, what did that say? The primary root bridge. And then S4 is the S4 is the secondary root bridge. So we're going to go in to these little puppies and we're going to copy and paste this into the CLI. And hopefully it all works right. This just saves a long video and a lot of typing that you guys don't need to be watching. Yeah, as long as it all, then it's all good. So we're going to do a copy and we're going to do a paste. Okay, that was switch 1. And we're going to go to switch 2. The computer's running pretty slow because I got a lot going on. Okay. Switch 2. And then we'll do switch 3. This one is our primary bridge with the spanning tree on it. Let's hope it all works right. And then switch 4. Okay, there's switch 4. Okay, so now we are going to go configure our routers. Configure interface FA00 on routers 1 and router 2 with the IP address shown in the table. So this came with a PDF file that shows the IP addresses. So we're going to router 1. And we're going to copy and paste this in there, and it has my interfaces are configured to no shut encapsulation and the IP addresses for each one. Oh, imagine that. Oh, I think it's class. I think that's what it is. So I need to just do this part. So there's router 1. And now we'll do router 2. And router 2 is pretty much the same thing. Just different IP addresses. Okay. So we're 98%. What did I not get done here? On S2, my port type is wrong. Are you kidding me? F link to S1. I don't think it is. Can't be. Okay. Pause. Oh, come on. Okay, after redoing and copying and pasting the commands into switch 4 and switch 2 again, I finally got it all going. This has been kind of a grueling task for me, but we do have 100% completion, and our port types are correct, which where we were having problems was actually right here and right here. So we're 100%, and this concludes this video of building a prototype network, Packet Tracer 732. Thank you for watching.